you ever want a nice, refreshing drink with a hint of strawberry and just a touch of mint? The Strawberry Gin Fizz from the Boathouse, that's your ticket.
Ooh, that was good.
Welcome back to Bob and Kelly's
Mixology Monday.
There you go.
We hope you guys are having a good Monday so far. This drink, we haven't had that often at the Boathouse.
No, I got it the first time like a year ago. Yeah, and
But you really liked it.
I really liked it a lot. And
Yeah.
I'm not much of a gin drinker, but the strawberries and the mint and it's a marriage made in heaven.
Yeah, nice and light, not too sweet.
No, very refreshing.
And we're guessing at this recipe.
Yeah.
We know the ingredients, but we don't know the ratio, so we're
just gonna go
on the fly.
That's right.
Yes.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off. We have to muddle some.
Did you say what it was called?
Strawberry Gin Fizz.
Strawberry Gin Fizz.
I did. I
yeah.
said.
Okay.
Right. We're gonna muddle some strawberries.
Yep.
I'm just gonna look, already nice and nice.
I have already kind of chopped the strawberries, so it's easier
So we're gonna
to
put
muddle.
in we're just gonna make one. So that's probably about a 1/4 cup of strawberries.
Put a couple more in there.
Okay.
I like strawberry.
Strawberry.
Okay.
Strawberry to taste.
Yes.
A few mint leaves.
Yes. I have pre-washed and pre-stemmed these mint leaves.
And I got, about a good little handful there.
Nice little bunchy bunch. Okay.
So
that mint smells really good.
Yeah, it does. So I'm just gonna muddle this real quick.
Okay. Muddle. If you don't know what muddle is, it's kind of gently like pressing whatever's in there that you're muddling. This is a muddler that Bob's got, and you're just kind of squeezing out the oils and the juices in the fruit or the
flavors.
Yes,
and we're mixing that strawberry and that mint together real nice.
Yeah.
We all nice and muddled. It's little. I did.
Okay. That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
It looks kind of like a mess.
Kind of like a hot mess.
But it's gonna be pretty when you get it in the drink.
But we're gonna add a little bit.
Sorry about the cat, folks.
It's okay. This is life, okay? We are living life, and our cat is a pain in
He's a butthead.
Anyway, so we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of gin here.
Okay.
Oh wow, that was a healthy 1.5 ounces.
Okay, healthy 1.5 ounces.
Yes.
Or 2.
We have some pre-squeezed. Squeezing. Lime juice, and we're gonna just use a 1/2 ounce of that.
1/2 ounce lime juice.
1/2 ounce of lime juice.
Okay.
There, like that.
Like that.
Like that. And I am gonna put just a bit of ice in the shaker just so I can get it nice and kind of cool.
Okay.
So you got a cool little ice cube.
Just a little bit,
Just a little bit, don't need much.
Yeah, because we're not gonna strain this like we said.
I could actually probably dry shake this, but.
You probably could, but you want it to be cold.
Probably should have dry shaked it so I don't have to get the ice out, but the ice will be fine.
That'll go in the glass.
Yeah.
With the rest of the party.
So we're gonna fill our glass with ice first.
Yes.
Wow, I can smell that. I can smell the juniper, and I can smell the mint
and the strawberry.
And the strawberries all mixed together.
Smells good.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna pour this in.
Ooh, that's so pretty.
All nice and muddly.
I actually like it with the pieces in there. Don't you?
Yes, I do. And that's the way it was served to me at the Boathouse.
Yeah. And then you're just gonna top it with some club soda, soda water, same thing. Just depends on how you say it.
Just top it off, fill the rest of your glass with some soda water, club soda.
That looks so good. Very pretty.
And then we're gonna take our little straw that we got, a little glass straw, be environmentally friendly.
I love those glass
I'm just gonna kind of mix it up a little bit.
Okay. Get those like chabbles.
Get them all. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, you ready? Gonna
and
garnish?
then I'm gonna garnish. I have just a little strawberry here that I stuck a little mint leaf kind of in the first cut. And I'm going to just place her right there.
Just like so.
Like so.
Beautiful. That is so pretty.
Cool. That's what it looks like.
So what time is it?
It is
picture time.
Picture time. Okay, be right back.
There we go.
And we're back.
Okay, you want to taste that bad boy first?
Yeah, sure.
Go for it.
I'm excited because it's so pretty. Except I got strawberries in my. That's really good. It's not sweet at all. If you were expecting it to be sweet, Does that taste like the one you had at the Boathouse?
Yes, it's
Okay.
It's gorgeous.
It's really light and refreshing. I mean, I
personally think there's too many strawberries in there though.
Okay. I think I would like maybe a little simple syrup in mine.
Well,
Because it's not sweet like at all.
It's not supposed to be.
Well, I know, but
Okay, simple syrup.
syrup.
We're gonna do just a little bit of simple syrup there,
Spot. I got mint leaf.
about 1/4 of an ounce.
Okay.
And now, see if it's to Kelly's taste.
Okay.
So if you're a sweet drinker, this is what you want to do. If you don't really care for sweet, I liked it the way it was because I'm not much into sweet.
That's better.
But-
It's still not like super sweet, but it like just gives it a little bit. I think there's too many strawberries in there too.
Well, you're the one who went extra.
Yeah, I did. It was my fault.
Yeah, you don't want that many strawberries in there. You want about less than a quarter cup. Like probably 1 strawberry.
Probably 1 strawberry or 1.5, maybe.
1.
What do you think? Do you like it?
I love it.
Good.
Even with the simple syrup, it's really good. So if you want to put a 1/2 ounce in each one, then it's good. I mean,
Yeah.
1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup.
And it's not like overly ginny, is
No.
it? I mean, you can barely even, I can't even really taste the gin.
No,
Can you?
I can't. I can smell the gin because
smell
the juniper and the gin, I can totally smell
Yeah.
it. I get that nose.
Yeah, but you're,
See if you can smell it.
no, but I never do taste juniper. I do never smell juniper and gin. My nose is broken.
Your nose is broken.
It's turned off for juniper.
This is very, very, very yummy.
Yeah.
I like it a lot. So
Yeah, because you don't like sweet drinks.
no, but not even with the sweet. It's really, it just kind of mellows it out just a smidge.
Yeah, and it just makes it a little fizzy just from the club soda. Yeah, cool.
I was even thinking you could probably cut down the lime by 1/4.
Probably.
So maybe a 1/4
Yeah,
ounce.
maybe that's what it is. It's a little too tart.
So we're gonna say I'm gonna adjust the recipe. I'm gonna
Because
say
it is pretty limey.
I'm gonna say you want to do 1.5 ounces
Of gin.
of gin, 1/4 ounce of lime. This is
Okay.
for a single drink.
Okay.
1/4 ounce of lime, and if you like it sweeter, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup.
Okay,
If you don't,
just leave it out.
just leave it out.
Okay, it's just a little
yeah,
too
a little
lime.
more
Like I
citrus.
think the lime is overpowering the strawberry and the mint.
Okay,
me.
so 1/4 ounce of lime instead.
Yeah. Okay. But you could drink that, huh?
All day long.
It's probably not something that I would order. Like,
In fact, I want
like
to
for-
make another one.
We're gonna make another one for the real.
Yeah.
It's probably not something that I would like crave, but it is a nice kind of light, refreshing drink if you don't want anything heavy. For me personally. But I tend to go a little bit sweeter with my drinks
Right.
rather than.
She's a sweet drinker.
I am.
I'm a mean drinker.
Don't say that.
No, I don't drink mean. I just like to drink the hard ones.
Yeah.
I like to taste the alcohol.
Yeah.
See, I could even go for a little more gin.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what I love about Bob and Kelly's little thingies.
There
It's
goes
like,
the
man,
garnish.
we just like do whatever we feel like it needs and trust. And if I say it's gross, it'd be gross. So don't try
Yeah.
that.
I
I got a
how-
strawberry stuck in my
I
straw.
like how you can see the strawberry bits come up through the straw. So-
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. All right. That's it. Strawberry Gin Fizz.
Strawberry Gin Fizz.
You can find it at the Boathouse in Disney Springs.
Yes.
At Walt Disney World.
Or our house if you want to come over.
Or our house if you want to come over.
We'll just like,
Come on
come
over.
on in, kick your shoes off, throw
Yeah.
them in the corner.
And let the cats meow at you. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great Monday. If you haven't done so already, please do us a huge favor. Hit the subscribe button. It really does help us out a lot. Ding the notification bell so that you know when we post. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video. And leave us a comment below.
Yeah.
You know, just anything.
Let us know.
Just like,
Adjust,
hey,
do whatever.
Adjust, do whatever.
Yeah,
just
you know,
say
drink,
hi.
adjust, just, you know,
Whatever.
enjoy.
Enjoy it.
Yes.
Have a great Monday.
Okay.
We'll see you next time.
Love you, bye.